What's going on, guys? We are checking out some more Hail the Sun tonight, and this track is called Secret Wars. We've got a music video to watch, and I'm super excited. So let's get right into it.
Make their city crumble and the people set to Sacred pact our first, dictate with fervor. Use the word of God for your endeavor.
The drums. Oh, that sounds so
Don't
cool.
show men and children from the flesh kiss of your blood. And again, our patriot trends focus the fear on differences.
A lot of political stuff in here.
True politicians,
Really
they
nice
know the
beats.
dead will not confess. Don't encourage thinking that's for us to do. Tell
many
them what
switch
you're
ups.
scared of, then provide the proof. Don't show burning bodies if the landing hand is yours.
That part's super cool because they've got like the drummer doing that like circling thing where they're just going around, or maybe it's just the panning. I'm not really sure, but it's like going in circles around my head. It sounds really cool. So many switch ups in here. Super heavy, super melodic. Again, their vocalist is amazing. I mean, I say that every time, but it's a lot of fun. There's a lot of variety in here, and then of course we've got like a lot of different political clips and things like that going on here in the video.
If the landing hand is yours, and again, our patriot trends
Oh, that bass, so nice.
focus the fear on differences. Businessmen, true
Really nice.
politicians,
Kind of groovy.
we play a role and they're all
Oh, okay, we're switching it up again. Okay.
slow.
Wow. Okay.
Quick cleanse of the killing fashion, done internally.
Little taps.
So we beg for their protection, and they all sing.
Wow, it's super chill all of a sudden. This sounds amazing.
That's the foe concern that we will give. Send our men and hide the front.
This sounds amazing.
Now that's the secret war we need to win.
Oh, that sounds so nice. Wow.
Now that's the secret war we need to win.
This is so
The
enjoyable.
secret war we need to win. That's the secret war we need to
Wow, this is the variety in here. Oh my gosh. And it's kind of crazy because we're seeing a lot of these like political clips, a lot of kind of distressing imagery type stuff. But the song starting out kind of chaotic, kind of upbeat. Now it's more chill. A lot of nice little melodies, very soothing, very enjoyable. So it's an interesting contrast from everything we're seeing like in the video. I'm not paying too much attention to the lyrics because there's so much going on instrumentally, but I'm sure it ties into the video in some way. But it sounds so good.
To win. That's the secret war we need to win.
Oh, that's a nice touch.
Show the threat is growing, spreading, violent, trending, trending, trending.
Building. Oh, okay. Going out with a bang. Okay. Yeah, you can totally hear some of the like Dance Gavin Dance vibes. You know, just the general vibes of everything kind of up this genre, what the swan core everyone calls it. You can definitely hear the vibes in there. That was awesome. I really, really enjoyed that. That was Hail the Sun Secret Wars. Amazing track. So much variety in here. Absolutely freaking loved it. A lot of nice melodies, a lot of chill moments, a lot of super intense fast moments, especially drummer popping off. We had some screams, we had the cleans, we had a little bit of just everything in here. Video obviously very politically oriented, a lot of sort of disturbing / distressing kind of imagery. So I'm gonna have to go back and see kind of how the lyrics tied into that, because for the most part the song was very upbeat and chill at times. So it was like a complete opposite of what I was watching, I guess. But I freaking loved it. So many amazing moments in here. Again, their vocalist is so freaking good. Definitely has those vibes from the sort of swan core-esque bands genre, whatever you want to call it. Just really awesome stuff. Keep the suggestions coming for Hail the Sun. And as always, if you're still here, if you're still watching, thank you so much. And I will see you on the next one.